Watch an exploding Ukrainian drone boat dodge fire from the air to bleep one of the small, high-speed Russian ships still fighting in the Black Sea. Business Insider. Ukraine's military intelligence agency said its forces used Magura V5 naval drones to destroy a Russian military speedboat in Crimea. Below are your comments. If the Russians can't protect their Black Sea fleet, it kinda of defeats the purpose of occupying Crimea, correct? The only other reason is for the commercial ports for grain exports. Ukraine Magura V5 Sea drone tactical maneuvering destroyed a Russian $3 million multi-purpose ship speedboat with a bullseye hit in the temporarily Russia-occupied Crimea. A job well executed. Jew. Saint shows where there is a will there is a way. Never quit when the going gets. The Ukrainian people want democracy and have been fighting for it for over a decade. We have a responsibility to the world to help maintain democracy. Woohoo! Got another one. Why would Ukrainians people want a dictatorship ruling their nation? Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.